Yo guys. Hi guys, good morning. How are you? Do you want to be in my video? If you want to be in my video, you have to smile, laugh. We smile on this channel. Good morning guys, how are you doing? So today, yesterday I went to Yaba Market to get winter jackets, the gloves, socks, whatever. Tamawe. The guy said we have to buy tamawe so that code will not finish us. So we shall bought a lot. We went there, we bought a lot. So today, like this, we are heading to TLS again. Today is the collection day. Like guys, I am happy already because I know that it is successful.
God is faithful.
Yes. I know already. So we are heading there now. I'm supposed to actually go yesterday because day before yesterday I got an email that I cannot go to the collection center to collect the passport, but my husband's own didn't come. The email didn't come for him, so we had to wait. So he received his mail yesterday, so that's why we are going today. So when I get there, I know I can't vlog inside, but when I come outside, we will unravel it together. Like together. I am just happy. Like if you see me this one, when I woke up, the joy of the Lord, it began to radiate. Like I am so happy, super happy, and I pray that the happiness will not be cut short in the name of Jesus. So I'm on my way there. I'm on my way. I'll catch you guys later. Bye. So guys, we are almost here. We are almost there. So in case you might be finding your location, this is where TLS is located. We will soon get there, you see. Once you get to 80-bed place, just go inside the street. Chauffeur confused one. So guys, we are here. See people everywhere is. They even gave them tents this day today. Huh? Yo guys. Maybe I record here. Why is this video too? Okpo. It's playing. Hey, want to knock you? Want to knock you? It's a knocker. Baby, how do you feel?
Very happy.
This is my own. I will unravel it later. They have knocked my baby. How many years? Can I have a look, please? Can I have a look, please? If how do you feel at the moment? Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Idumota Market. Like you know, if you are a returning subscriber, I love you. If this is your first time on this channel, you're welcome. So today I am going to Yaba Market. Yes, Yaba Market to get stuffs. I want to get winter jackets, the gloves, the shoes. So I have good news guys, but I'll gist you about that later. So presently, yeah, I am in Yaba Market already. I want to get few stuffs. I want to get the jackets, the gloves, and every other thing I'm able to get. So I'll take you guys along to see where I'll be getting them. You get, so stay tuned. I love you guys. Thanks for always watching. Thanks for always being there. I love you guys. I have good news. Talk to you guys later. Bye. Everyone now, nothing, everything. So guys, we are here. We want to buy jackets. Good on. Yo nigga. Don't buy them. Everything is bought. A lot of very expensive. So I want to get Japa, are they sewing it already? So guys, we are done buying. See my husband. Look at this face. He's carrying the load. We are done buying. We are heading to the car park. Well done, baby. Baby, well done. You're not answering me. Yes, we are done buying. I think our car is somewhere around here. So guys, when I get home, I'll talk to you about everything. See you later. Bye guys. Good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Atinuke, like you all know. If you are a returning subscriber, thanks for coming back. And if you are seeing my face for the first time, I love you. I really want you to stay tuned to this channel because it's going to be informative, educative, fun. It's going to be about everything. So today I am going to Idumota Market as part of the travel preparation. So we are moving some important. So I want to go to Idumota Market to get few things. So I would like you guys to go with me. I'll take you guys to the market. I'll show you what is going on at the market. So guys, stay tuned. I love you. Mwah. So guys, I am here in Idumota. I came to withdraw some money because some people will say they don't want transfer, so I came to the bank to withdraw some money. So I'll be going into the bank, into the market now to start the purchase. So guys, I'm inside the market. I want to buy what of CS? I want to buy bone straight. So I'm buying the fine hair, very nice one. But it's so fine.
What I like about this guy? What I like about this guy, he will tell you if they want to sell, they will give you this two, you don't complain.
The two, like the 12, have you?
You don't complain.
So this is super double SDD. I want to buy SDD. But I like
More music on trendybeats.com.
I see the sweet us, I see the bend them, the sweet house.
trendybeats.com.
they sweet us.
So guys, I'm done buying makeup, so I want to buy nails. So this fine nails. So I'm buying nails. I want to buy nails. I'm waiting for the store. I don't know where she goes. She don't work out. So guys, I am done. I am tired. It's not. This is after 4. Since 6 a.m. that we left house. That's very nice. Of course, right now.